Hey, today I want to talk about a film called Laila Majnu. This is a 2018 Hindi romance film. Now I know a lot of you may have heard about the story of Laila Majnu, but it's actually a quite old story. I think it's based on poems from 7th century, and the thing I've recently known is actually Laila Majnun, and by that it means that Laila's mad lover. It means a guy who is so in love with Laila that he's Majnun, or he's like entranced or almost maddening. So that's what it comes from. So even though in my discourse and in a lot of areas or in a lot of places people actually thought Majnun is a person, it's not actually a person, it's not a noun, it's an adjective, and the word is Majnun. So when that out of the way, this film is actually written by Imtiaz Ali, one of the best directors in my opinion in his earlier days or in his prime, who now works in like very subpar and mediocre films because his last 3 or 4 directorial effects has been quite lackluster. But in his earlier days in his prime, he has directed some of my favorite films. Like I recommend Jab We Met and Love Ajkal. Those are absolutely bonkers and I just love them. There's also Rockstar, which is okay. I don't like it. I don't like it as much as, but a lot of people like it. And there's also Highway, which is good in its own way. So Laila Majnu is written by Imtiaz Ali and directed by Sajid Ali, who I think have worked under Imtiaz Ali. So this film has almost all the characteristics of an Imtiaz Ali film, but told in a very scenic Kashmir area. Now, as Kashmir is a beautiful place and it's been called the heaven on earth, and this absolutely shows. This film is beautiful to look at. This film is gorgeous. The cinematography, the background, the place that all the shots are taken is absolutely mesmerizing. It's like you don't have to do a lot of even work to just make it look good because the place already looks good. Now, the role of Laila is actually portrayed by Tripti, and I think the role of Majnu is actually played by Avinash Tiwari, and I think they're good. I think they're really good in this film. Of course, being the Majnun, the guy, the lover, the male lover, he has to do most of the heavy lifting, and I think he comes out with the flying colors. He's descended into chaos and madness is absolutely palpable, and he does a brilliant job, just absolute fantastic. Because being a Hindi film, they could have gone a more traditional route and chosen a traditional actor, and there's nothing wrong with traditional actors. They might also do a good job, but it's actually good to see a guy like Avinash Tiwari, who you might call as an underrated actor, and come through with flying colors. And the actress who portrays Laila, she's also fine. I think she didn't get the credit that she deserved, and her role is also quite nice, and I think she portrays really well, and I guess better than a lot of current Indian actresses. So in that way, I think this film is really nice, and the love story is actually quite heartbreaking. Even though set in a modern setting, I think it contains a lot of the charm of that early era. This film really makes you feel like that love is actually timeless, and that even though the character or the places or the settings may change, but love will always be love. The way a person can love will transcend everything, and I think that has been shown in this film greatly, because I've known about this for a long time and I didn't want to see this because I didn't think that in a modern setting this film would work, but it absolutely works, and I absolutely love this film. There are some songs that I like, particularly the last song, Hafiz Hafiz, sung by Mohit Chauhan. That is an absolutely brilliant song. If you wanna, even don't wanna watch this film but wanna listen to a song, you should listen to the song. This song is actually quite nice, and it stays with you. So does this film and the characters acting, and for that I give this film 4 out of 5. And I think if you are in for a love story, or a love story from a different setting, or the love story that can be only set in this era, but a love story that's told from a different time, that's actually a quite unique combination, and you should go for it.